client's phone because
She says they missed the whole trip.
it's the most wonderful time of the year. Yeah. Is it wonderful without your family though? Like without spending it with your loved ones? I guess not, but I have to make the most of it. Yo, but Merry Christmas. Today I'll be preparing for tomorrow. I'll be installing my hair, doing my nails, like press-ons. So, a present. I got myself a Christmas present. Oh my god, it's raining and tomorrow I'm planning to wear mini skirt, a mini skirt bobs with high heels, with knee-high long boots. Yeah, knee-high boots. You're not ill. I'm so tired of speaking English every day. But yeah, anyways, I'm going to get my customer's phone thingy shipped right now. After that, I am going to a Vietnamese restaurant to eat poho, baby. Boo, 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 boo.
Got trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I know that's the end. You on the scene, think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by 1 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost took mine. Long stay,
Oh my god, you guys, I just arrived at this Vietnamese restaurant. Chong Hong Bed. Chong Hong Bed. Yeah, this is what I'm getting up to. So yeah, everything's really good. Let's see. I don't know what to order. But let's get something to eat. I had a bite and it's so nice. Oh, this is good. I would recommend Polo, not this. I'm only enjoying the spring rolls. This I'm eating because I paid. And you see how hot this is? People get to finish the whole bowl while it's still steaming. Okay. No beans. Ah man, poho is so much better than this. I don't know what this is, but poho maybe. So there's literally a queue everywhere in the dessert stores. And I'm just like, why are everybody queuing? Because in Japan, you literally queue for anything and everything. I'm like, oh, it's Christmas, cakes. I don't know. Am I getting one? Do I want to get one? I don't know. I'm already going to an expensive restaurant tomorrow, so I don't want to be wasting money. Oh my god. Nah, let's go home, man. Let's go home. Come from my friend's place, Solo. And yeah, we had a good time. Every time I'm with Solo, we are turning up. But yeah, now I'm on my way home and I'm going to remove this hair because it really doesn't suit me. I don't know. I'm not feeling it. Yeah, and then I'm going to sleep and go for Christmas dinner. Yeah. There's one baboon, yeah? He's like, oh, let's go out. Where do you want to go to? I'm like, I want to go to Bulgari, a restaurant. He's like, oh, I don't have money for that. We can go to Yakiniku. Bitch. If I can take myself to Bulgari and you can't take me to Bulgari, what the hell? Do you think... Man, shut the hell up.